Javon, and as you all can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a tattoo prank on Javon. So guys, right now I am dressed. I was going to meet, well, I'm going with Javon. We about to go do something today. But I just told him like just now that I'm with my cousin and that we're at the tattoo place, right? And that I didn't tell him that I was getting a tattoo, but I just told him that I'm at the tattoo place with my cousin. So guys, I decided to do my makeup today. I haven't done it in like a while, so I feel like it looked kind of weird. I don't know, but yeah guys. So I told him that I was at the tattoo place and I'm with my cousin, but I didn't tell him that I might be thinking about getting a tattoo, but I'm not. I'm at home right now. I'm in my restroom. So, yeah, guys. So I ordered this fake tattoo. It just has Jevy Frost and like with a crown at the top. If y'all know him, then y'all know him by Jevy Frost. But if y'all know him, y'all just know him by Javon. So I got Jevy Frost. Right now, he just texted me. He was like, "Oh, okay then." But right now, I'm about to put this tattoo on, like right here, visible. And then I'm gonna tell him come pick me up like around 12. I told him that I'll be back like around 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna tell him he can come pick me up now, or he can come to my house or whatever. And I'm gonna get his reaction. So yeah, guys, I'll be right back when I get all the equipment because I ordered it offline. And then I'll tell y'all where I ordered it from as well. But let me go and get the kit right now and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is where I ordered it's a fake tattoo, by the way, guys. Y'all know those old tattoos. Y'all know those old tattoos that kids used to be putting on, you know, their body or whatever. It's like you just rub ice on it and it comes off within a couple of days. So yeah. This is where I ordered it from. It's called Momentary Ink Tats. This is where I ordered it. I ordered it in a 2-inch because I wanted it small because I was going to put it here. And it comes with a how to apply. And it gives you directions in the bag. But I think it's kind of simple, self-explanatory if you've done it before. Like if you had like those fake ones before. It gives you tattoo insurance right here, so if something happens to the tattoo on the way, like on a delivery, then you can just send it back or whatever, and they'll give you a new one. Something like that. That's what I read. But they gave me 2. I think I ordered 1, but I don't know if I ordered 2, but hey, I'm cool with it. So in here, this is some type of liquid. They gave in this little black pack, it comes with some type of liquid here, and then it comes with like 2 little finger gloves. So you put it on your finger right here. So right now I'm about to go get some rubbing alcohol and wipe the area that I want to put the tattoo on. And I'm gonna get an ice cube. I'm not getting no paper towel because I feel like ice cubes are better. So I'm gonna get an ice cube and then I'm gonna rub this on and y'all gonna see the process. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I am back. Don't mind this section over here, yeah. So I have my rubbing alcohol right here. And I have my ice cube, if y'all can see it. It's right here. I have my ice cube. So yeah guys, let's get this prank started. What? You gotta be kidding me. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at that. Y'all look how red I am around. Y'all look, I just got a tattoo, baby. I just got that man's name tatted on me. That's love. That is love. Okay, now I don't know what to do next. Let me read the instructions. Okay. Let it dry for 3 minutes. Okay, let it dry. I got his name on me, bruh. Even though I feel like it should be Jevy Frost this way. But it's okay. Just okay. Okay, it says let dry about 3 minutes. Put on finger wrap. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to put this little finger wrap thingy on right now. Oh, y'all look, that's cool. Okay, put on the finger wrap. Shake real till, shake it up, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Pour onto wrap. Start with a few drops. Apply more only if shine remains. So y'all, I'm shaking this bad booger up real good. Okay. Oh, I gotta twist it. So, yeah. I don't know if I should just do it like that. It smells like alcohol, kind of. Oh, it burns! Now, let me stop. I'm childish. I'm so silly. I'm so silly. Oh, the shine went away. Okay, what do I do now? Don't bend or twist for about an hour. So it says apply more only if the shine is still there. But there's really like the only shine it is like the little girl. You see that? But there's no shine. So let me put this up because I'm gonna need this. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's about it. That's all. That is so easy. That was like really easy, y'all. That's all you have to do. I told Javon to come and pick me up. Well, he can come like around 12. So I'm just sitting chill and go eat something, and then I'll tell him, hey, I'm back. You can come now. And then I will get his reaction on the camera, y'all. So yeah, guys. All right, y'all. So Javon is outside. I'm ready. So right now, guys, I'm about to take my suitcase and everything. I'm about to take it with me outside. And yeah, I'm gonna get his reaction. So okay, guys, I am with Javon now. Hi, babe.
Hi.
Okay, guys. So what y'all been up to? What you been up to, babe? Nothing.
What you doing? Starting a video right now?
Yeah, I'm starting a video. What are we doing today?
Guys, I haven't seen her. Well, I've seen her, but I haven't really spent a good time with her for the last since 2 weeks. And then the first question you asked me is, what do you say? What I've been up to or what I want to do?
What you been up to?
I've been to today. This car's right here. I've been up to nothing.
Been up to nothing.
Man, just usually people coming to kill me, man. What's the car doing right here?
Huh? Okay, well.
What you been up to?
Hmm? Oh, nothing. It's hot. Should I take the sweater off? Huh, babe?
Oh, the AC's on. It's really hot.
It's hot.
The AC's on.
Huh?
What are you looking in the camera for?
Cause I'm looking at you.
I'm gonna start driving.
No, babe, don't drive.
What?
Hmm?
What?
Cause
What?
Cause you can't drive yet.
Why I feel like you're about to do something, bro? Why is wait? Why is it recording out of nowhere, though?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? I got something to tell you.
You creeping me out.
Y'all, he's silently happy. What you think about my tattoo?
What the fuck? What are you thinking?
Yeah, I gotta bleep all that out. I gotta bleep all that out. Let me put this right here. Keep moving my head.
So that's why you're recording? Cause
You like it?
shit, I don't know what to say.
What you mean? You don't like it?
What in your right mind you decide to get tattooed with my name? First of all, it's not even my real name.
What
What
you?
is that? What is that? What's that?
Babe, it's your name. It says
What kind of trash ass tattoo artist you went to?
Excuse
You
me.
didn't even spell my name right.
Yes, it is.
Bro, my shit is FRASS. What is this?
That's an F. That's FRASS.
That's a backwards R.
No, it's not, babe.
Bro,
it's just
the
the way
R
it is.
It's going that way. It should go this way.
Babe, it's just the way it is. That's how I wanted him to put it. I want him to put Jeffy Frost like this. So that way when you look at it, you'll see it. Jeffy Frost. Yo, why he look like he about to kill me? You don't like it? I thought you would be happy I got your name tatted on me.
Shit, I'm a real ass nigga nowadays. Shit, my name tatted, it's going crazy. You know what I'm saying? But for real though.
What?
What got into your head when you got me a tattoo of my name?
Huh?
Why you got a tattoo of my name?
Oh shoot, they got dark. Because.
You still recording?
Yeah, I'm recording you. I thought you would be happy I got your name tatted.
I mean, I don't even know what to say, 'cause this was so random and out of the blue, out of nowhere. We in the middle of the street, looking at a damn tattoo and shit.
It's cute.
It's cute.
It's cute.
Cute to you?
I like it.
Bro,
they put a crown
bro.
on top of it.
Bro, this ain't no R.
That is an R, babe.
That's not an A, that's a U. Trash ass tattoo,
Let me see. What
man.
are you talking about? That is an A.
Man, this is not an A, this is a U.
Babe, it's the font.
That's a backwards R.
It's the font. It looks different, but it says Jennifer.
Man, I'm about to cut that shit off and shit. We gonna get that shit redo, bro. No. I mean, I appreciate you having the mindset to get a tattoo, and we can get a real one. And we can get.
So you gonna get my name on you? Nothing. You gonna get my name on you? You can put it right here, just like how I got your name on me.
My mama never raised no fool. You know what I'm saying?
What that mean? Mama ain't raised no fool. So you trying to say mama raised the fool? Mama.
No, I'm just saying for me. I ain't never getting no female name tatted.
I'm not just a female. I'm your wife.
That's still a girl. I'm never gonna get no girl name tatted.
I'm not a girl.
Alright, I'm
a
never gonna get no dog
woman.
name tatted on
I'm not a dog.
Alright, what are you then? you what? You're not a female, you're not a girl.
I'm your wife.
That's still a girl. Alright, I'm not gonna get no lady name tatted on me.
I'm your wife. You're not supposed to get just a lady name tatted on you. You're supposed to get your wife name on you.
Says who?
Me.
I don't know what galaxy or what planet you are, but
Babe.
what? Why are you touching on me, bro?
Because I haven't seen you in 3 weeks.
Okay, we worrying about damn tattoo. You haven't seen me. Which one is it?
Both.
First of all, this shit ain't dead, right? I don't know what kind of tattoo is that. But you better go. When you did this?
I did it earlier today.
Well, it's not too late to script it off.
Boy,
Man.
it's a tattoo.
I don't give a damn. You can script it off.
You can't scrap this off. How you gonna scrap
That shit
that
been
off?
dried off. This shit just did. That shit ain't too late.
Babe, you can't. It's tatted in my skin. How he gonna? He talking about you can just take it. Babe!
What for?
Babe!
We can get a. Nah, man. You disrespecting my name, bro.
How am I disrespecting
That shit
your
ain't
name?
look right.
Babe, it's your name.
That shit ain't look right.
Well, then your name don't look right.
Man, I'm gonna slap the two knuckleheads in your head. My shit ain't look like that.
Babe,
that's
that
a backwards R.
Babe,
Bro.
it's reading like this.
Bro, that ain't no R right there, bro.
Guys, what that say? Can
That
y'all
ain't
see
no R. That ain't no U. That ain't no A. That's a U.
Babe,
I don't know what kind of tattoo R you see went to, but that nigga stupid.
he's stupid.
And he's stupid, bro. Yeah, get my shit right, bro.
Babe, can I tell you something?
You got next surprise again?
Hmm?
What you got next time?
No, like those tattoos you can just use with ice and just put them on. That's what this is.
So wait, you didn't let me tell you?
Huh?
You didn't
No,
let me tell you?
babe, I was here this whole time at the house. Can't show all that. I was here the whole time. I had to make it seem like he's talking about you wasn't with Tay. Tay at work. Tay getting that shmoney's, okay? I had to get you, babe. It's fun. Did you see my other tattoo in there?
No.
I got another one. It's in that clear bag. They sent me 2. It's right there, babe. They sent me 2.
Oh, you look at this.
I don't know why they print it like that. That's how I was looking at it too. Like, why they print it like that? But that's how they print
Yo, they're disrespecting my name, bro. My name ain't spelled like that. What you
Babe, but
mean?
it's Jeviiifrass.
That's not how it's spelled, though.
How is it spelled?
But like you just said,
That's
that ain't
how-
no R.
Babe, that's
That
how I
ain't no
put it.
A.
Yes, it is, babe. It's a different font.
Then font my body
I'ma
was.
show
Yo,
him.
that's not R. That's how I'm backwards
That
R.
is an R. That is an R.
Holy shit, man. Fucking stupid ass, man.
I love you. Can I have a kiss?
No.
Babe, I ain't seen you forever. Can I have a
No, I
kiss?
could have been, man.
Did this
you
nigga
coulda
just
been
drink my
alright.
stuff?
Cause I'm over here yelling because of you.
Okay, babe, I love you.
Stay again.
Alright, guys, so as y'all can see, I just pranked your boy Javon, BB Gang.
That's whack. It's whack.
No, it's not whack, because you really thought it was a tattoo.
That shit whack. Oh, that is not, cause
And I was getting your reaction to see how you would react if I really got your name tatted, and you reacted poorly. You supposed to be like, oh my God, I'm so honored to have my name on you. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to react. But yeah, guys, I pranked Javon. I think it was successful because I wanted to see how his reaction was or whatever. So comment Team Shy Money in the comment section below. Also, like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment BB Gang, post notification gang, all that. Gang gang. Peace. Whatever. He just hating.